Okay, so next question, question 6, asks you to describe the difference between the internet and the intranet. Okay, right. So I know I've covered this with you, Tim. I do not remember if I covered it how long ago I covered it with you. Okay, now the internet and the intranet both work with the same technologies. So you would have networked computers, you would have routers, you would be able to email, you would be able to search for things using the internet technology. However, the intranet is inside one company, one building. So, for example, governments may use it, so the information cannot be made public. The information that would be shared in that corporation, okay, would be for that corporation only. Okay, so the internet is public. Okay, so the internet, as you know, it is public. You can search for anything, anywhere in the world. So, knowing that information, what can you think of with the intranet and what can you think of with the internet? Okay, so now the question again asks, describe the differences between the internet and the intranet. Okay, so an intranet, which is in a building, would be regulated information only. They will not be able to search for anything outside of that building, such as using Google. Okay, it would be restricted. It would be controlled by the corporation. So the only information that would go in there, okay, would go on the intranet there would be the information that has been verified by the corporation. The internet is unregulated. As you know, there's such things as the dark web. Okay, there's lots of illegal content on the internet, and there's servers that are all over the world. Where, for example, here in a corporation, it would be literally that corporation only. So they may not even be able to access their work emails, okay, outside of work, only inside work. So here's some more information to help you. So the internet is a global system of interconnected computers and networks. Okay, and the internet is a network that uses the internet protocol technologies, use exactly the same technology, but they're not connected to the public internet. They're not connected to the internet, which is the biggest wide area network in the world. Okay, so more information I found here, okay, to help you. So the internet is an internal network accessed by authorized individuals within the organization. So it connects within the organisation and they make the company information accessible to employees and facilitate group activities. Okay, so with the internet, it is global, can be accessed by anyone, anywhere, anytime. And it also can connect and link to various organisations like businesses, government agencies, educational institutes and so on. Okay, so the intranet is an internet within a building, within a single organisation, okay, that can only be accessed by those people in that organisation, and the internet is public. Now, the good thing about the intranet is the information cannot be hacked because it cannot leave the corporation, and it is controlled, where the internet is not controlled.